Today, we're diving right into the rise of direct-to-patient models, better known as DTP. On the surface, DTP feels like a win. Patients get their medications, they get them at home, companies improve access, and like all good things in healthcare, there are risks. But you know what? Maybe we can work through them. DTP started as a workaround for rare disease trials. Imagine patients traveling hours to a research site just to pick up an investigational product. Courier stepped in. That was a game changer. Then came COVID. Overnight, decentralized trials became essential. Regulators allowed flexibility, and DTP became not just a convenience, but a lifeline. Then the model spread beyond research. It went into commercial use. Today, specialty pharmacies deliver small molecules, complex biologics, and even medical devices straight into patients' homes. What was once exceptional is now normal. But here's where it gets complicated. First, regulatory compliance. Different states treat pharmacy shipments differently. FDA promotion rules don't vanish just because the drug shows up at someone's door. Next is privacy. Every DTP shipment is tied to sensitive health data. It's protected under HIPAA and a patchwork of state laws. Third, liability. Who's responsible for shipment spoils under transport? What if the temperature control was off? The sponsor? Is it the pharmacy? Is it the courier? Is it the supply chain? Something else? Now think about supply chain. We just talked about the temperature. Temperature-controlled biologics can fail. Just a few degrees swing. And that is a patient safety issue and a compliance nightmare. Then there are broader issues. How do you maintain equity of access, especially for rural patients? These patients may or may not have reliable internet access. Then there's fraud and abuse. Companies deliver directly. The line between patient support and improper inducement can blur fast. Follow our page on LinkedIn. So how do we manage all this? Start with governance. Companies need SOPs that clearly define responsibilities. Engage with regulators early to align on expectations. Ensure that vendor oversight is there, and don't assume that the courier knows compliance like you do. Build privacy into your systems and not as an afterthought. And finally, don't forget patient communication. Transparency builds trust. Remember, DTP is here to stay. The question is not whether or not you're going to use it, it's how you're going to manage the risks. Get it right and you empower patients. Get it wrong and you invite regulators. Call, click, or email